It's Lola's party day. On my previous video, you will see Lola's Cupcake send me a surprise party pack. Well, today is cake delivery day. I received a message in the morning telling me what time I should expect the cake delivery. Can you believe they will bake you a fresh cake, decorate it, write on your message, package it up, and get it delivered to your house? That's actually insane if you think about it. Birthday party is actually tomorrow, but they did deliver the cake the day before. Which makes so much sense actually, because depending on the courier, they can deliver the cake anytime from morning all the way up to evening. So if you ordered it on the day, it might come late. So I think it's better to order it a day earlier, so you know it's here for whatever time your party starts the next day. So this is the box. I'm going to show you how it looks inside. So in here there was a little booklet and it gives you information about your cake and how to store it. So if you'd like to eat it today, leave it to stand for 2 to 3 hours. Or if you're going to enjoy it tomorrow or the day after, then pop it into the fridge. This is the cake that I've gone for, is a vegan caramel biscuit, and it shows you the other cakes that you can get as well. And on this next page, it even gives you tips on how to cut the perfect slice. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. This is a return label where they ask you if you could possibly return the box and the wool lining and the ice pack, and they give you a free return label, and they can even collect it from your house. But I've made a video about that and you can watch that on my next video. Ooh. So you have, so this is a wool lining to protect your cake from getting shaken around, and then you've got an ice pack here. Again, you can return all this or you can just recycle it at home. Ta-da! Let's get it out. False alarm, this is not the cake. This is a box which contains dry ice, and it's to keep your cake nice and cool during the transportation. So let's have a look at this cake. The ingredients on the side. It's been sealed. Wow, that's really nice. Let me show you. Obviously a bit of, I'm guessing these bits have sort of moved around during the post, but there we go. Happy 5th birthday. My daughter is going to absolutely love that, and it's going to go perfectly on the table. Right, party ready. Got some paper plates, need a candle, unicorn balloons. This is a table cover, a nice backdrop, and these are some balloons. The party table ended up looking really good, and she had such a big surprise when she came in and saw it. So when the guests came in, we started off with the designer cake activity, and all the guests, even the older guests, loved the activity, and it was so lovely to see everyone get involved. These are the designs, and comment below which one is your favorite. Then it was time for food. So once the party food was consumed, we did pass the parcel. This was one of the pasta parcels that I made earlier, and I used the Lolas Cupcake straw that they provided, and the girl who won it absolutely loved it. Now it's cake time. Now when I first saw the cake, I thought it did look a little bit too small for the 14 servings it suggested, but it actually was 14 servings. The cake cooked very nicely, and it was really lovely and soft. Nothing like the dry vegan cakes you can buy from the supermarket. It tasted absolutely delicious, and the texture was light and soft. The guests could not believe this was a vegan cake, and it was a big hit. And it was so nice to see my daughter enjoying a cake, because again, usually the cakes she has are not nice. She just ends up eating the frosting, or she'll just leave it. This one, she actually finished the whole slice. Birthday cake is something everyone looks forward to on the birthday party, and it just brings the whole party together. And it was such a lovely ending to the day, and I saved myself a slice to have the next day with a nice cup of tea. So thank you, Lolas Cupcake, for sending me this cake. It's a big thumbs up from us.